With a bushing in this pattern, I can quickly cut out this drop in exactly where I need it, and my routers and router plates fit every single time. It just makes life so easy. These bushings are the key. I make all of my patterns out of 12 millimeter or 1/2 inch plywood. The bushings, most of them are less than 12 millimeters on how far they stick down. As they get a little bigger in diameter, they get a little bit longer, but still easily fit to 12 millimeters. Some of the big ones, they go further. And obviously that won't work. What do you do about that? I simply cut them down. 12 millimeters is the exact target, but I really want them less than that. So I took a piece of scrap 12 mil, ran it to the table saw, and I cut it down to about 10, 9 or 10, something less than 12. It doesn't have to be exact. Take that piece of material that we ripped down and just drill a hole in it. So the hole is slightly bigger than the outside diameter of the bushing. Put that over and just use it as a guide. Set the blade right on it. It's nice and flush with the thickness of the material. And it's actually pretty clean, but we want to get the burrs off, so just take a file. And if you got a round file, you can go inside and really clean it up. Now your bushing is cut down, and it'll work perfectly with any of your 12 millimeter patterns. If you'd like to get a detailed set of plans to build yourself a miter saw extension, a smart bench, a smart station, any of the accessories like the smart cart that work with the system, or the smart wood shop itself, you'll find the link in the description of this video down below, where you can go purchase plans or packages of plans and download them instantaneously 24/7, 365. If you enjoyed this video, if you like these quick tips, then be sure to give this video a thumbs up. And also, I really enjoy reading your comments. So take advantage of the comment section and give me your feedback. Mahalo.